Yeah, my people, we don't stand up for Alile Pius. Please don't begin to do this poverty things where we say, since what subsidy matter come, the hunger for the country come, shall not be small. And those states can't begin the worst pass as they be before. The Pius Alile can't say, he go do better when they do before. He go help the federal government and the state government do small palliative for people. He's saying turn out for those state today, he go do for the north, he go do central, he go do for those south. Now he bring 5,000 teammates out when he be for this bag. We dey look inside the bag, so we dey look rice here, we dey look ogbonge tomato for this place, we call them look Indomie chicken flavor. We don't begin to see some here for inside here what they call power oil. We dey see some here, so for this place. This man try no. Now here we dey see garri, we dey see beans, we dey so inside one bag. And as we dey for this place, so I never see this kind of thing before. We be say individual they turn down, they take care of people. If they start off for Edosa today, Edosa now where be say 7 local government cover, where be the Benin speaking area for Edo State. We need to distribute 2,000 today, where be the 4th of September 2023. Because make it do a city happy people. Make the hunger not shall pass as it be so. Make it be so the people they even they smile. If you see as they be so, over 2,000 don't do accreditation, where be say they go home with this ogbonge food. All your papa is inside, chicken flavor is inside. All the thing where be say go even survive them for 1 month. Now they fall inside this bag today. We will show them so many things will go happen today. How they begin to carry their ogbonge food, begin to go house. Make it be say that people come out and they do it for just as it might be. Now so they do it. In the do it since it don't begin to it don't do some ogbonge palliative. My name is Honorable Pius Alile. Now maybe the president, founder of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition Initiatives. What to make you they do this ogbonge matter? Not today you start this matter, but you say that political matter they make you do it. But what you they see today now, we never see one of your posters come and say now because of the reason why you they do this thing, make you begin they aspire for social position. What they make you they do all these things? No sir, you know me now. Now here I grow, now here I grow up. Hungry beat me well. Hungry beat me. I know what it be for people, for somebody to go to school without food, or for somebody who know you don't even know where you want to get the lunch when they come in the afternoon. You know where you want to get or evening food. You know where you want to get. So hungry beat me well. Now the pain. Now I make me they do all the things I know they do for the past 10 years. I talk and say, God bless me. I will do for the people that are in need, and that is what I'm doing. It's based on my past childhood experience, and that is what I'm doing. It has nothing to do with politics. In and out of political season, I will do it. I will continue to do it. Because I'm a politician, I make me if I do anything, I will say, oh no, because of politics. It has nothing to do with that at all. I will continue to do this because it's my calling. You know, so now you be the first person where they do palliatives is when they remove this subsidy matter where they say the hunger for the state can increase. Now you be the first person when they do this kind of one. And you they do it for the state where they say governor did this state, president they rule this country. How you see this matter? The matter be say government not fit do everything. Individuals, corporate organizations, churches are supposed to do what we are doing now. In most advanced countries, when things bad, now everybody they put one together. Even churches they do their own, NGOs they do their own. My own NGO. A lot of people go come together. Communities go come together. They go help the poor ones. That's what they do it for everywhere. But people say they get this orientation. Say government go fit do everything. Not possible. It's not possible. So the one way get little should share. You understand what I mean? If you get share. That's the way. That's how to come out of a situation like this. NGOs share, the churches share. That is the way you carry community. Because this one now, it brings communities peace. It brings peace. It brings unity. You know, when you share to everybody, everybody's happy. You can see what is going on here. Now everybody they are all picking their own, collecting their own shares. Now, good thing. It promotes community cohesion and support for each other. So the little one again now they do. This food where you share so. How many numbers it be? And only I don't start for do them. No. This one we they do today. Now today now we start them. This one now today we start them. We will see share tomorrow. Then on Wednesday we they carry some go Edo Central Uromi. When I go share to people who register for that side. Then we will see carry some on that Wednesday to Edo North. For Anuchi, when I see go share to people when register for that side. So now across the state, it's just that this one is the first day, and this one are for people who they the 7 local government for Edo South. That we they share. Now for 5,000, this one we they see so. Now 5,000 bags that we do 5,000, and that 5,000 must go to the people.
Thank you to all of them. Thank you to mama and my papa. We appreciate very well. Thank you so much.
May the Almighty God bless Pius Alile. In Jesus' name I pray.
I say man use God take time for so na do well. At least people are dying for hungry. As na give us this one now, more take whole body na do well. I say God go bless una in Jesus' name.
I say may the good Lord bless him. Whatever he does shall prosper. He will never know shame in his generation. He will continue to move forward. God will bless him more and more. His children will not know lack.
My people, as make I begin the sign up from this matter, we don't day here this morning. We don't see all the obligations where this party they do since. Not be today start this work. We don't know say when it be cancelled in 1999. Now we be say he see borehole and that borehole still exists for Selu area till today. When I go remember say a few months ago, he do some more get palliative for students. He begin give them 100,000 naira. We be say students today that they battle for school, they know they suffer again. They know they worry their parents before they begin they go to school. Other obligations when this man don't do, he touch different local government for Edo South. We don't do palliative for different local government communities. We don't do borehole for people. He put generator for their water today. People they drink water. You know say where water not day, life not day. Where food not day, life not day. And today, if somebody can remove hunger from people belly today, and I begin to do this obligated matter where happen today. We don't do yes this morning. We they sign out immediately. My name still remain Nosa Ege, TMC TV.